Have you ever wondered if there is a simple yet incredibly effective trading strategy that even beginners can use to profit consistently? Today, I'm going to reveal one such a strategy using TradingView.com that you can apply to stocks, cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, and Forex. And the best part, it only involves two free indicators. Let's dive in. Hello traders. In this video, I'm excited to share one of the most unexpectedly effective strategy that I have ever encountered. Whether you are a novice or an expert, this strategy is for you. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with a powerful tool to accurately control your emotion while trading and make informed decision. Before we get started, here is a quick overview of the topics we will be covering in this video. Setting up the indicators, adjusting the setting, understanding the strategy with an example, taking long position, taking short position, enhancing the strategy with an additional indicator, conclusion, and the summary. First, let's set up our strategy on TradingView. In order to do that, we follow these steps. Click on Indicator tab in TradingView. Type UTBot alert. UTBot alert is the first one here. It was created by Quanta Nomad. Okay, so we select this one, and the next we type linear regression candles. Okay, created by UGURVU, and we select it. So now let's adjust the indicators. Let's adjust the setting for these indicators. For UTBot alerts, you come to the tab over here for UTBot alerts. Set the key value to 2. The key value to 2. And the ATR period, we set it to 1. And this one here, we make sure that the signal from Heikin-Achi candles remains unchecked. Okay, and then we click OK over here. And then now for the linear regression candles, we come here and we set the linear regression range. This one here, we set it to 11, as you can see here, to 11. And set the signal smoothing to 7. Okay, this one here, we're gonna set it to 7. Okay, and we come to the style over here, the plot. We use this one here, the middle one, and we choose the thickness over here. We choose the tear option to highlight the white plot line. Okay, and then we click OK. So now let's clean up this chart to make it look better. Okay, great. So now to make this strategy easier to understand, let's look at the Euro USD. Okay, chart. This chart over here is Euro USD versus USD chart. So here is how we identify the long position, for example. Okay, it's gonna be almost the same for short position. So UTBot alert, signal a banner. We have the banner over here. UTBot alert, signal a banner similar to this one here for buy, and this one here for sell. And the white bot line from the linear regression candles, we see that our candles over here, for example, for the long position is above the white line for long position. For short position, it will be below the white line. This is very important. So if both conditions are met, we can take a long position or short position. So you set your variable risk reward ratio and place your stop loss at the most recent swing high for short position or the most recent swing low for long position. And we close our position when the linear regression candle turn red or green, depending on the position that we are placing. So now let's look at an example, okay? Let's say, for example, we're gonna take this position over here, okay? Let's zoom. So for long position, remember these key points. UT-bot alert signal a long entry position. This buy over here, as we have over here, buy. The linear regression candle, these green candles over here that we have are above the white plot line over here. So what we're gonna do now, let's choose our long position over here. And we're gonna place our long position over here at the closing price, okay? So now we're gonna look at the most recent swing low is this one here for our stop loss, okay? So now we close our position when these green candles turn red. Right here, we close our position and we take the profit, okay? That's the case for a long position, okay? So now let's look at for a short position, how we can place our entry for short position, okay? So for short position, we follow these steps. UT-bot alert, print a signal. We have it. We have it here. The signal for sell, okay? So now the linear regression candle is the linear regression candle. These candles over here, they are below the white plot line, as we can see over here. Okay, so now both conditions are met. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna place our order. So we set stop loss, our stop loss at the most recent swing high. Okay, let's take the short position over here. This is the closing price. The closing price is this one here. We place it here. What we're gonna do with this is that we're gonna move it to this point over here, and then we set your stop loss at the most recent swing high. Okay, the most recent swing high, let's say, is this one here. Okay, so we adjust our risk to reward ratio accordingly. So we close our trades when the linear regression candles turn green. So right here, we close it here and we take profit. So as you can see, we can take as much order as much order we want. How many orders we want? We can take 10, 20, 100. So when this approach is simple and effective, it works best when used in a large quantities. To further improve it, we can use an additional indicator to avoid trades during sideways movement or consolidation. Because as you know, the markets behave in different ways Let's say, for example, we have this system over here, okay? And we have a stock behaving this way, like this, okay? So we have a trending, and the consolidation. The trending, we have like run, pull, and we have the consolidation phases, sideways or choppy market. Okay, so now, as I said, to further improve this, we can use an additional indicator to avoid the trade during sideways movement or consolidation. So what we're gonna do is that we go to indicator tab, and we write down consolidation zone. Okay, we have it right here. We type a consolidation zone and we hit add. Okay, so let's from the tab over here, let's set up these indicators. So in the loop back over here, we keep it to 10. And the minimum consolidation range, we keep it to 5. And here we can change the color accordingly. Let's say, for example, we choose blue, and now we click OK. These indicators highlights, as you can see now in the chart, these indicators highlight any side movement that we might have in our chart. And it's recommended to avoid the trading in this side. You can do it, but it's recommended to avoid trading in these zones. As you can see, this strategy is both straightforward and powerful. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helped me to create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.